जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 36th श्लोक. Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna, "O Krishna, all these Kauravas are sinners. They put fire to our house. They gave us poisonous food. They stole all our wealth. They encroached all our lands. They insulted Draupadi in the assembly. Like this, they have done so many sins. If I am going to kill these kind of sinners, that sin is going to be stained on me. Oh Krishna, I am not going to kill them. After all, they are all my relatives. How would I feel happy after killing my relatives?" Like this, Arjuna is saying to Krishna, with this meaning running in our thoughts while sitting right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, also visualizing that Krishna Paramatma doing Gitopadesam to us directly. Let us now chant the sloka. Nihatya dhartarashtrannah का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन पापमेव आश्रयेत् अस्मान् हत्वैतान् आततायिनः. The moral from this sloka: do not commit sin. Do not show compassion on the sinners. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter 65th to 69th sloka, he is recommending all of us to do like this. Krishna says, "Always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on transforming all your actions as service to me. Keep on saying that Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on having a bhavana that Krishna, I am your property. Keep on running that bhavana in your thoughts. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry anymore. Ma Suchaha." Keep reading at least one sloka from my Bhagavad Gita every day. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall not commit sin and I shall not show compassion on the sinners. O Srimannarayana, I shall always will be thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Srimannarayana, I shall dedicate all my actions to you by saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. O Srimannarayana, I shall always will be thinking that I am your property. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on reading at least one sloka a day from Bhagavad Gita. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Srimanarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya, Naranchaiva Narottamam, Devim Saraswatim Vyasam, Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi is narrating to Saunaka and other rishis. O Maharshis, Kunti Devi praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma and asking him to withdraw his travel, saying that, O Krishna, we all have faith in your divine feet. We do not have any other option. O Krishna, we are your friends. We are your servants. We belong to you. Krishna nachanyat bhavatah padambujat. Only your divine feet is our refuge. O Krishna, you have born in this Yadava Vamsam. You started giving your divine darshanam to all Yadavas and divine experience to all Yadavas. O Krishna, we are not that much deserved to have so much of divine experience with you. O Krishna, all the great rishis, munis, always will be craving to have your darshanam. O Krishna, with your divine feet, this entire kingdom is blossoming. O Krishna, with your divine grace, all kind of riches coming to this kingdom. Visvesa, Visvatmaka, O Visvamurti, please do not bring any of your love and affection towards us down. O Madhuradhipati, Madhava, please give me blessings so that in my thoughts I should always will be carrying you. I should not be spending even a moment without thinking about you. O Sri Krishna, O Govinda, O Yogeshwara, Akhila Guru, Bhagavan, Namaste. I bow to you, Krishna. Like this, Kunti Devi praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. After Sri Krishna Paramatma listened to all Kunti Devi's request, Krishna Paramatma gave a nice smile. Mandam Jahasa Vaikuntho. He gave a nice smile. With that smile, the same Mandahasam can bring the entire universe into completely can captivate all planets. That small smile, Mohayanniva Mayaya. That smile has so much of power, captivating power. After that, Krishna Paramatma heard a request from Dharmaraju also. Then Krishna Paramatma withdrew his travel and they all went into Hastina. Dharmaraju started feeling so much depressed because he always started thinking about that how many people got killed in Kurukshetra battlefield. I ended up killing so many of my relatives and so many Brahmanas, friends, fatherly people, brothers, acharyas. I killed so many people in that battlefield. I think even after crores of years I go through the Narakam, hell, I will not be released from such a big sin, that much sin I committed. Like this, he has been feeling like that. So Krishna Paramatma convinced him. Even Vyasa Maharshi and all other great people also convinced him, but he was not getting convinced. Krishna Paramatma says, "Oh Dharmaja, you have done your duty. As a Kshatriya, it is your duty to kill enemies and take care of your citizens. That is what you have done." Krishna Paramatma said like this, but Dharmaja is not getting consoled. Dharmaja is not getting convinced. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 36th sloka. Nihatya dhartarashtraannaha ka priti syat janardana papameva ashrayet asman hatvaitan atatayinaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.